What's going on, everybody? And so in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is new struts that I got for my 4Runner. I already put them on yesterday, but I'm going to show you what I did. Give me a second. Just going to open it up. Yeah, one hand. You see that? So before, my 4Runner had this right here. I still have it here. Old school way. It's been like that since vehicles started coming out. Obviously, Toyota didn't want to put that out for some reason. I don't know. But this is the final product. This was what I bought on Amazon for about 40 bucks. And this is what I put on yesterday. So it comes with two brackets, two lower brackets, two upper brackets, a bolt, and then two hood struts. It was pretty simple to do. And the only thing that you had to do is, you see this bolt that's up on top right here. So that bolt right there, you unscrew it and put this bracket on there. And then from there, there's another bolt right here. You guys can see it right here. You unscrew that, and then you put the bottom bracket right here. So there's two brackets. One is like an all flat surface, and then the other one has like a little hook on it. The one that has the flat surface, that one is the one that goes on the driver's side. And then the one that has like the hook on it is the one that goes on the passenger side. It took me a minute to figure out, but once I figured it out, put it on, it literally takes less than 10 minutes to do. So I'm going to show you the other side over here. There's the hood strut. Then put it on the very top screw. I don't know if you can see that. You put it on the very top screw. And then the bracket is right here. There's a little hole right here where you put the screw in that comes with it. So put the screw in. This is the one that has the little hook on it. So it kind of hooks in the hole, and then you put the screw through here and it holds it in place. Once you are done putting the brackets on, this just pops on and pops off. So you kind of have to lift the whole hood up a little bit, and then it'll latch onto the little hook here. And then there's like a little ball hook here as well. So pretty simple to do. But like I said, yesterday it took me a minute. I was at the end of the day, came home from work, and I started doing it. Just a long day for me. It was an off day for me. But so you guys can see, simple. Now I can just close it. And then I can also just open it with one hand. And open it with one hand. Yeah, and then it goes up. So, liking it so far. I'm going to keep this old one on just in case those break. Those were from Amazon. They're 40 bucks. They're pretty cheap. So I hope they last. If they do, I would recommend. I was going to buy the Lexland ones, but those were like 69 bucks. So I'd rather get the best price available. And then if those break, then I'll get the Lexland ones. But all right, I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like, hit comment. Talk to you later.